Your favorite soft ice cream isn't ice cream at all. It's a cocktail of chemicals built for profit, not pleasure. Let's see what they're really feeding us. Ice cream. It's childhood. It's comfort. It's nostalgia in a cone. But behind the sweetness is a bitter truth. Today, we're breaking down the ingredients of a common soft-serve ice cream, the kind you find in malls, fast food chains, and street stalls, and uncovering what those cryptic E numbers really mean. Because here's the thing. Real ice cream should be simple. Milk, cream, sugar, eggs, vanilla. That's it. But what you're actually getting looks more like a chemistry set. Let's look at the label. Sounds harmless, right? Until you realize half of those aren't even food. The illusion of dairy. Soft ice cream is supposed to be made of milk and cream. But modern industrial recipes use skimmed milk powder and hydrogenated vegetable oils instead. Why? Because real cream is expensive, and hydrogenated palm oil is cheap, shelf-stable, and profitable. Fully hydrogenated palm oil. This one sounds innocent, right? It's just oil, right? Wrong. It's industrial fat, processed under extreme heat and pressure until it becomes a solid, wax-like fat that can survive months on a shelf. Health effects? Raises bad cholesterol, LDL, and lowers good cholesterol, HDL. Linked to arterial plaque buildup, increasing risk of heart disease and stroke. Creates systemic inflammation, the silent trigger for diseases like diabetes and Alzheimer's. Long-term effect? If you eat products with these fats regularly, you're essentially feeding your body plastic-like fat that it struggles to digest or metabolize. Over time, your cells store these fake fats, disrupting hormone balance and even aging your arteries from the inside. The sugar bomb. Then we have sugar, lots of it. A small soft-serve cone can contain over 25 grams of sugar. That's more than what the World Health Organization recommends for an entire day. Why it matters? Sugar gives instant pleasure, a dopamine hit, and it keeps you coming back for more. But combined with hydrogenated fats, sugar becomes metabolically toxic. It spikes insulin levels, damages collagen, causing early skin aging. It feeds bad gut bacteria, and over time increases the risk of insulin resistance and fatty liver. In short, it's not just dessert anymore. It's dietary sabotage disguised as sweetness. The dairy deception. Whey powder, milk. Whey is what's left when milk curdles, the cheap byproduct of cheese production. Food companies dry it into a powder and use it as a filler. Why? Because it's cheap, adds bulk, and boosts protein content on labels without using real milk or cream. But the truth is, over-processed whey often contains oxidized fats and denatured proteins that can cause gut irritation and digestive inflammation in sensitive people. The fake texture, emulsifiers and stabilizers. When you replace natural cream with industrial fats, you lose smoothness. So they add E numbers, a coded language for food chemicals. E471, mono and diglycerides of fatty acids. A synthetic emulsifier that helps oil and water mix. Sounds harmless, right? but it's often made from animal fat or chemically treated palm oil. What it does? It creates that creamy texture without actual cream. But it can disrupt gut microbiota when eaten regularly. It's linked in studies to metabolic syndrome and gut barrier dysfunction.
E407, Carrageenan, derived from seaweed but heavily processed. Used as a stabilizer to keep the ice cream smooth. Sounds natural, until you realize degraded carrageenan has been shown to cause intestinal inflammation and even colitis-like symptoms in animal studies. E417, tara gum, a thickener from the tara plant. It's technically natural, but in industrial production, it's often mixed with chemical solvents for consistency. Too much of it can interfere with nutrient absorption and cause bloating and gas. The chemistry of flavor. Flavoring, the most vague word in the entire ingredient list. It can mean dozens of lab-made chemicals combined to mimic vanilla, chocolate, or fruit. Artificial flavors are designed to trick your brain into craving more by hijacking your olfactory system and reward center. And since they're protected under trade secrets, companies never tell you what's inside. Over time, constant exposure to artificial flavorings desensitizes taste buds, making real food taste dull, rewires reward pathways, promoting food addiction, and increases cravings for processed foods. The illusion of color. E160A, beta-carotene. Now this one sounds natural, and it is, to a point. It's a coloring that gives ice cream a creamy yellow tone. But here's the catch. When derived synthetically, it's mixed with chemical carriers and stabilizers that can produce oxidative stress in high amounts. Most colorings aren't added for health. They're added for psychology. We associate golden tones with fresh dairy. It's not real. It's a visual illusion. The long-term cost. So what happens if you eat this kind of ice cream regularly? Not every day, but a few times a week for years. Your body doesn't immediately collapse, but it accumulates. The hydrogenated oils stiffen your arteries. The emulsifiers alter your gut microbiome. The sugar inflames your liver. The flavor chemicals rewire your brain's reward system. And together, they create a perfect storm for chronic disease. You don't feel it now, but decades later, when your energy drops, your digestion slows, and your blood work starts to show early signs of inflammation, it started here, in that cup of harmless soft serve. The next time you buy a soft ice cream, ask yourself, why does something so simple need so many ingredients? Real food doesn't need labels you can't pronounce. It doesn't need codes. It doesn't need chemical engineering. It just needs honesty. Because the truth is, they're not just feeding us ice cream. They're feeding us addiction. And it's time we stop eating in the dark.